What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing some LED lights from Lasfit. Let's get into it. Alright, like I said, we're going to be unboxing some LED lights. Real quick, behind us is a 2016 F-150. Lasfit sent us these right off the bat. The boxing is very well done. Box is very sturdy. These did get to us in about 3 days, so very fast, and considering the the problems going on in the world today. So we're going to get right into the unboxing.
All right, as Brian was saying, these are the low beams for the F-150. You got a manual. These are quality bulbs. They have fans on the bulbs themselves, and then the dust covers or have a built-in fan as well. They are plug and play. They've designed to plug to the LED and then straight into the factory harness. They look really well made. Fans look really good. It's not just some rubber cover that goes on the back of your housing. It actually has a fan, dust cover, and a fan on the LEDs. So that should work out really good.
I'm really excited about these. These do look very well
made, put together.
Yeah, definitely worth the price, especially if discounted rate. There will be 2 links down in the description box below. If you use code Brian10, you can save 10% on these just like we did. If y'all are curious on how we installed these, make sure you check out the next video. It's already going to be uploaded as you're seeing this right now. But real quick, I wanted to show you the link if you click below and you want to use code Brian10 to save 10%. So this is the site it's going to take you to. So right here, it'll look like you have to get the whole package. It'll come up like this. You do not have to get the whole package. If you just want low beams, click low beams. If you want high beams too, click whatever you want, add to the cart. After you add to the cart, in the promo code, use Brian10 and you can save 10% on any of these lights. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching us unbox these bulbs. Make sure you check out when we install these on this 2016 F-150. Guys, make sure you're following us on our Instagram. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you click the bell so you get all our notifications. Until next time.